Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to reduce image file size up to 80% by maintaining its original quality in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Puma Photo Resizer. On the first place you will see the application, just click on it and just click on install. Now once the installation is done, just click on open. Now you can read the instructions or you can just click on skip. Now just click on allow. Now just select the respective image file. So I'll just select this. You can select the multiple image file at a time also, but right now I'm just selecting a single image file. You can select multiple image file also. After that you can see here compress, just click on it. Now you will see here tons of options. Make it smaller, file size, resolution and quality, and qualities. So here I'm gonna select the option quality, and after that just click on next. Now just keep the first option as selected, Puma quality, and after that just click on next, click on allow. Wait for a few seconds until the complete conversion is done. So finally the process has been completed. You can see the file size of the original and the compressed file size. So you can see here, and you can just click on this image file in order to compare. So you can see here it's written save 80%. That means the original image file size was 741.76 KB, and now you can see here 143.98 KB only. And now you can see here at the bottom save option, just click on it. Now it will be saved to your photos application or gallery applications. So you can see here it will retain the original quality, but it will resize the image file size up to 80%. So by using this application named as Puma Photo Resizer, you can easily reduce image file size up to 80% by maintaining its original quality in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.